Hi, my name is Grace Rington, and in this lab I was tasked with making a makeshift factory. I chose to use a buzzer and 2 LED lights and 3 buttons and an LCD screen. To start off the code, I internalized the library and associated it with the LCD pins. The LCD pins that I'm using are 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Then I have my LED pins, which are using pins 6 and 7. Then my 3 button pins, which is 8, 9, 13. And then for my buzzer, I'm using pin 10. And then I have button count equals 0. It sets button count to 0. In my setup code, I have serial begin, which allows me to print lines so I can see if the code is running through properly. And then I have lcd.begin, which allows me to use the LCD screen to print words onto it. And then I have LED button 1, or LED assembly 1 and LED assembly 2, and buzzer, all 3 set to outputs. And then I have button 1, 2, and 3 all set to inputs. Then I have LED process, or LCD print set to process start, and that reads onto my LED screen, or LCD screen. Then down in void loop, I am calling the 3 functions that I am using: factory step 1, factory step 2, and factory final step. In factory step 1, I have, if you push the button, then button count equals 0 when you push the button, the LED lights up, buzzer goes off, and it reads process 1. And then it sets button count equal to 1. So then when you go to factory step 2, it's essentially the same thing. So you hit the button, and it reads on the LED screen, and the LED turns on. And then it sets button count equal to 2. And then in the final factory step, it turns, when you hit the 3rd button, it turns both the LEDs off, the buzzer goes off again, and it reads onto the LCD screen, assembly done. And then it sets button count equal to 0. The reason I have the button count in the code is so if the first button is not pressed when you reset the code, you can't go out of order. You have to hit it in the proper order for it to work.